Do you have days when you just can't control the monkey brain?
I recently tried a cool exercise that I found really helpful. Apparently, doing art without expectation seems to quiet part of my brain that just won't stop. Sometimes I even get in the zone. Let me show you.
We're gonna start by drawing a swirly line without lifting our pen or pencil. Then pick some colors that feel right to you and color in the little shapes the line created. Some people will instinctually reach for colors that reflect their mood, while others might pick uplifting colors that could be soothing to their current state. Use some lines, dots, different textures, overlapping shades of color, or even elements from nature. The point is to not think and just let your hand do the work. I think there is a special sort of magic when we create in this way. There is no specific goal in mind, there are no stakes, it's only your paper, your pencil, your paint, and you just go with the flow. Doodling calms the brain by providing a meditative activity that can reduce stress and stop your thoughts from spiraling. It's so interesting to see what takes shape when we don't try to control everything. You will most likely end up with a really cool abstract. You can also add some words or affirmations or anything else that might pop to mind. Today I want to focus on love, peace, being calm, and rest. And done! Your very own mindful art. Try it and see if it works for you.